You wouldn't go anywhere without a spare tire on your car, would you? Hey everyone, I'm Spencer with Malibuparts. Hey, real quick, we would love if you subscribe to and follow our social media pages for great boating content and sweet deals. All right, thanks for doing that. Now back to it. Just like you wouldn't go anywhere without a spare tire on your car, we highly recommend not going anywhere in your boat without a spare prop. Countless trips have been saved because of an extra prop. Also, if you ever go boating at lakes at higher altitude or change to a lower altitude, having an extra prop for those altitudes will greatly enhance your performance while on those lakes. If you need to switch your prop, you are going to need a prop puller tool. The Acme Weekend Saver Kit is the perfect kit to keep on your boat to help in such situations. The Weekend Saver Kit comes with everything you need to change a prop. Included in the kit is a prop puller tool, a wrench, needle nose pliers, and an extra prop shaft hardware kit, which includes an extra nut, prop key, and cotter pin. Also included is a nice case to keep all the tools and the spare prop in, keeping it nice and neat to store in your boat. To make sure you don't get stuck on the water with a damaged prop or need to switch props for altitude or performance changes, head over to Malibuparts.com to get your spare prop and Weekend Saver Kit today. If you would like help finding the right parts or accessories for your boat, you can reach out to us via phone, live chat via our website, or email. We are always happy to help. We can't wait to see you on the water.